Back to you po, host.
Ayan, salamat. Thank you naman dyan, Rehan. Okay, this is my final song. Sobra na ako sa 2 hours. Baka mapalo na ako. Okay. Teka, hindi pa ako nakapaghanap. Sige, ito na.
Tignan nyo ang materialis nito, pati na rin ang pagbago ng disenyo. Ito nga talaga ang snuff battery.
Alright, thank you everyone. This is my final song. Para po sa inyo everyone. Salamat naman dyan sa lahat dyan everyone. Here I come again, tripping on my own feet. Lately it seems I've been being a foolish me. Bumble when I try to talk, stumble when I try to walk, like I'm in a state of shock when I'm with you. Here I come again, looking just like a clown. Everything I say is wrong whenever you're around. Somehow I get hit a shot, and I can look you in the eye. I come on apart inside when I'm with you. Think I'm in love again, reading that silly green. Look what I fool of it. Think I'm in love again. Lately I lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs of being in love. Hey, I want to lie to you. I've been in love before, but I think that you're the one that I've been waiting for. Been around I'll admit, but this time all I've been is free. Something tells me this is it when I'm with you. Think I'm in love again, grinning that silly grin. Look at that fool of pain. Think I'm in love again. Lately I lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs of being in love. Wow. Thank you so much, Mom Jay. Think I'm in love again, winning that silly grin. Look what a fool of me. Think I'm in love again. Lately I lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs of being in love. Oh, being in love. Oh, think I'm in love again. Alright, thank you. Yan, salamat naman dyan, Ma'am J. At sa lahat po dyan, everyone, yan, maraming salamat ayan, dahil dyan, Ma'am J, para sa
You
iyo.
are generous heart. Super last chatter. Merriman Salamat Pro. And more blessings to come. Thank you very much.
Ayan, thank you so much ng marami, Ma'am J. At sa lahat po dyan, ayan, Marmay, salamat din sa,
Thank
sa
you, host. Rehan, thank you very
Ayan.
much. See you tomorrow.
Ayan, Marmay, ayan, salamat din, ayan, salamat din.
Yes. Pa-promote ko. Bukas, mag-live ako. Pero I think umaga mag-live ko. Kasi hindi siya...
Anong oras
After
yan?
ko,
Anong
after
oras
ko,
yan?
after
Ayan.
ko siguro.
After ng kape-kape, diba?
Kape. Agahan ko na. Kalam mo. Biglang
Ayusin mo. Baka magulaw. Ayan. Net ko siya ng tulog.
Pero Rehan, mag-message ka muna sa akin o kay Ehem. Anong time ka pwede? Kasi Ehem siguro hindi pwede.
Yes.
Kahit dalawa lang tayo. Kasi mag-aalis din kasi ako.
Pakbalik mo sa alis, after kape, show time na. Yes! That's right! Ayan.
Yes,
Showtime
ate.
naman.
Salamat.
After kape, show time naman!
Oh, yeah. Whitey pa more.
Pag wala siya pagod, pag wala pagod, wala whitey. Pag pagod, whitey pa more.
Tama.
Ayun. Ngayon
gusto kayo promote?
Ang ano yun?
Yung kung may live ka ba anong oras?
Oh, hindi ko pwede sabihin oras, baka mabitin ako eh. Pero may live bukas kami bukas. Tatlo kami ni Rehan, si Ehem at saka ako. Basta ang oras, bahala na kayo. Mag-adjust.
Baka meron kang
Pa-vice
gusto